Lance said, I'm really new at the role, even though I was inducted into it last year. We all sort of went through our own learning process, and Toastmasters has a really good program in helping you to actually go from point A to point B and beyond. It's not just willy-nilly, you come and maybe you'll speak and maybe you won't. We have a program called Pathways, and we follow that program so that we can measure our growth and our successes. So part of my role is to help you along the way in Pathways, to help you understand Pathways, how to use it, how to pick your path and follow that path, and sort of, encourage you and keep you on that path. Another way to keep you on that path is also to work with a mentor. So my role is to assign a mentor to help you along that way. When you're ready to book speeches, then I'll help you book the speeches. We'll help you make sure that you're following so that you're not leaving it for 6 months. You're taking each step as you should be and following the time frames that make sense to you. We track your success. So once you've finished your speeches, we will measure those. You'll add it into the Pathways. Pathways is an online program, and you can put in your progress, and I go in then and sign off, and then you get awards, which I will also be responsible for handing out when the time comes. And if there are any contests going on, that's part of my role as well, which so far I haven't done yet. Lisa has participated in contests and actually come in first place twice in a row. But I wasn't.
Actually, three in a row. 3 in a row.
First place for 3.
Yeah, first was here.
Oh, right, for here too.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Division.
I wasn't involved in planning any of those contests, so I would really love to, and I'm anxious to see you compete again.